How long will my roof replacement take? This is one of the first questions homeowners ask, and for good reason. A roof replacement affects your routine, noise levels, and access to your home. The good news? Most roof replacements are completed much faster than people expect. The short answer? For most homes, a professional roof replacement takes about 1 to 3 days from tear-off to final cleanup. But speed alone isn't the goal. The goal is installing the entire roofing system correctly so it protects your home for years. So what affects the timeline? Roof size plays a big role. Smaller single-story homes can often be completed in 1 day, while larger or multi-story homes may take 2 or 3. Roof pitch and complexity also matter. Steep slopes, multiple roof lines, valleys, chimneys, skylights, and dormers all require more precision and time. Tear-off time varies too. Multiple layers of shingles or poorly installed materials take longer to remove. After tear-off, the roof deck is inspected. If damaged wood is found, it must be replaced before work continues. This step is critical for performance and warranty protection. Weather can cause short pauses, and that's normal. Professional roofers monitor forecasts, stop work during unsafe conditions, and make sure the roof is dried in the same day. Material choice also affects timing. Asphalt shingles are the quickest, while designer shingles, metal, or specialty systems take longer. And finally, crew experience matters. A trained, well-managed crew works efficiently without cutting corners. A typical roof replacement usually looks like this. Day 1 is preparation and tear-off. Day 2 is installation and waterproofing. And if needed, Day 3 is finishing details, inspection, and cleanup. Many homes are completed even faster, but this timeline ensures the job is done right. One important thing to remember, faster isn't always better. Rushed installations can lead to poor workmanship, leaks, and even voided warranties. Most homeowners don't need to leave their home during installation. Expect noise, but the work happens outside. Clear communication matters just as much as timing. A professional roofer should explain the schedule, update you on progress, and communicate any delays. At XYZ Roofing and Restorations, we balance efficiency with high-quality workmanship. We don't rush, and we don't drag things out. We do it right the first time. Final answer? Most roof replacements take 1 to 3 days, depending on your home and conditions. And when done properly, those few days give you years of protection and peace of mind.